Trading is money. Until you discover the truth. Hey there, let's talk about 6 myths about trading. You know, trading often seems like this magical world of quick wins, big money, and all these fancy strategies, right? But what if I told you that half of what you think you know is completely wrong? Yeah, that's exactly what we are going to dive into today. Buckle up, because I'm about to bust 6 trading myths that may be holding you back. And hey, there is a twist in every single one of them. So stick around. Quick pause. I just want to mention that the first chapter of our trading course is completely free. No login, no email, no credit card needed. Just visit learnthestrategy.com/free and start learning right away. The course has over 60 episodes and took us 4 years to create. It explains my personal strategy that is built around just 4 main indicators and some key chart patterns. If you are interested, check it out. If not, no worries, just enjoy the rest of this video. Alright, myth number 1. You need a lot of money to start. Alright, let's tackle the first myth. You need a big pile of cash to even think about trading. I mean, sounds logical, right? If you want big returns, you need big money, or so they say. Now, here's what most people see. Many brokers advertise minimum deposits like $10,000. Yeah, 10,000 bucks. It's intimidating, isn't it? It makes you think maybe trading isn't for me. But here's the thing. That's just one side of the story. In reality, many platforms let you start with as little as $50 or even $10. Yes, there's some platforms that allow you to start trading with $10, like IQ Option, Pocket Option, Codex, and many more. And while starting small may not sound glamorous, it's where most successful traders began. Here's the kicker. Trading isn't about how much you start with, it's about how you grow what you have. Think about it. That $10 can turn into $100, then $1,000 and beyond. Starting small is actually the smartest move, especially for beginners. Why? Because it lets you learn, make mistakes, and refine your skills without losing a fortune. Baby steps, my friend. That's how you win the marathon. Myth number 2. The more complicated the strategy, the better. Okay, here's a fun one. The more complicated your strategy, the better your chances of success. You've seen those charts, right? Dozens of indicators, lines everywhere. It looks like a high-tech art project. But let me ask you this. Does adding more layers really make you a better trader? Not always. In fact, many experienced traders keep things ridiculously simple. Let me give you an example. Some traders use just one indicator. For example, a single moving average. That's it. And guess what? They are making consistent profits. Why? Because simplicity keeps you focused. It helps you stay disciplined. Trading isn't about showing off or proving how smart you are. It's about making money. So next time someone tells you to use 10 different indicators, remember this: less is more. Myth number 3. Indicators guarantee success. Alright, let's move to myth number 3. Indicators are the key to endless profits. Sounds great, isn't it? Just pick the right indicator, follow its signals, and watch the money roll in. Easy, right? Well, not so fast. Here's the reality. Indicators are tools, not guarantees. They don't predict the future. Picture this. You get a perfect buy signal from your favorite indicator. The price moves up and you are feeling like a genius. But then, bam, the market reverses and you lose. Here's the lesson. Relying solely on indicators is like driving blindfolded while trusting the GPS. Sure, it can help you, but it's not enough. You've got to look at the bigger picture: the market trends, the sentiment, the fundamentals. Indicators are helpful, but they are not magic. Myth number 4. More trades mean more profits. Yeah, of course, more trades equal more money. The logic seems sound, right? The more you trade, the more opportunities you have to win. But here's the catch. Trading isn't a numbers game. It's a quality game. Let me show you what I mean. In the last December, I opened over 40 trades in multiple sessions. I made $3,540. Not bad, right? But then, let's look at June. That month, I opened only 9 trades in one session for the entire month. The market was crystal clear, the signals were perfect, and guess what? I made $12,700. Yup, fewer trades, bigger results. This just proves that precision beats quantity every time. So slow down, don't rush. Focus on quality, not volume. And trust me, your account will thank you. Myth number 5. Professional traders rarely lose money. Let's talk about the pros. Here's myth number 5. Professional traders rarely lose. Sounds nice, doesn't it? Like these seasoned traders are invincible. But here's the truth, they lose too. And sometimes they lose big. The difference? They know how to manage losses. They cut bad trades early and move on. So it's not about avoiding losses, it's about controlling them. Here's a personal story. In August 2023, I lost 3 trades in a row. Lost $12,000 in a single day. It was frustrating, of course, but here's the thing. No trader is perfect. It's not about how often you fall, it's about how quickly you get back up. Myth number 6. You don't need psychology, just strategy. And finally, the big one. Trading is all about strategy. Psychology doesn't matter. Let me tell you, psychology is just as important, if not more important than strategy. Here's why. You can have the most flawless trading strategy in the world, but when the market dips and fear kicks in, that strategy goes out the window. Suddenly, you are making emotional decisions instead of logical ones. Controlling your emotions, fear, greed, hesitation, is what separates winners from losers. It's not just about mastering the charts, it's about mastering your mind. And there you have it, 6 myths busted. Trading isn't easy, but it's not impossible either. Now that you know the truth, you are one step closer to trading smarter. So, if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Let's keep learning and winning together.